Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today we are going to solve blood relationship problem. And in order to solve this type of problems, it's very useful to know how to build pedigrees. And I also saw on the internet that some people offer to solve these problems giving different arrows which would represent different relationships, but this is not convenient way. Humankind didn't develop anything better than old good pedigrees, and we are going to use pedigree in order to solve this problem. And here is the problem. Pointing out to a photograph, a man tells his friend, "She is the daughter of the only son of my father's wife. How is the girl on the photograph related to the man?" I recommend you to stop video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So let's start with statement that she is a daughter. That means that we're talking about female, and in order to be a daughter, this girl should have parents, father and mother. Let's also change the color because we are going to be concentrated on this person. And let's analyze the rest of the sentence. Of the only son of my father's wife. So the only son means that this male here also has parents and he is the only son. It doesn't mean that he is the only child. This person may have, for example, sister or two sisters or three sisters, but he's going to be the only son. The only son doesn't mean to be the only child. So far we know that he is the only son of my father's wife. So father's wife is going to be this person, mother. So we have now full pedigree. And what is the relationship between this girl and this male? How the girl in the photograph related to the man? So this female is going to be a daughter of this male who is talking to his friend. So our choice is going to be answer A. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.